Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we're going to see how to extend display on two monitors on Windows. First thing first, right click on an empty area of your desktop, then select Display Settings from the context menu. By default, Windows may mirror your screen onto the second monitor. To use each monitor separately, scroll down to Multiple Displays. Click the drop-down menu and select Extend these displays. Click Apply and a confirmation box will appear. Click Keep Changes and now you have one continuous desktop spread across both screens, allowing you to drag apps or windows from one monitor to another. To match physical positions of your monitors, in the same display settings window, you'll see two rectangles labeled 1 and 2. These represent your monitors. Click Identify to see which number matches which monitor. Now drag and drop the monitor icons to reflect their actual layout on your desk. Just click Apply, and this ensures your mouse and windows flow smoothly between screens. So, your main display is where your taskbar, Start menu, Quick Settings and most notifications appear. To set it, select monitor you want as the main display and scroll down and choose Multiple Displays. Check the box that says Make this my main display. You can use keyboard shortcuts. Just press Windows plus P to quickly switch between display modes like Duplicate, Extend, Second Screen Only, and Snap Windows. Drag windows to the screen edges to automatically resize them side by side. Also, you can use third-party tools, which are apps like Display Fusion, offers more customization for power users. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.